んばんは。Check in. Yes.
Thank you very much. Second floor.
Okay.
And then take your shoes in your room.
Okay. Guys, I just finished shopping at their supermarket. Everything is like super affordable. Like I don't know, like super different from the things that I bought in Tokyo. I don't know why, but it's like 50 yen cheaper than everything I have bought in Tokyo. So I was fucking stoned. And talking about my hotel. Well, it's affordable. It's like $10 per night, and it's the washing room, toilet is a little bit stinky, but it's very cheap. The wall is like paper thin, but then again, it is very cheap. Their neighborhood is said to be the worst neighborhood in Osaka, but then again, it is very cheap. So I think it's okay. Yeah. So guys, I just finished visiting 2 temples in Kyoto. You know what? I woke up before 6 a.m. this morning and took something like a 2 hours train to transfer from Osaka to Kyoto. And then I have an amazing lunch, but it's pretty traditional Japanese style restaurant, so people are quiet and it's a little bit intimate, so I didn't film a lot. So on my way back to Hankyo JR station, I actually would like to talk about something that I have encountered this morning. So because I woke up very early this morning and I don't have toothpaste, so I went to the supermarket I showed you yesterday, and the sky was barely light, and on the way to the supermarket there were a lot of homeless people like sitting on the street, sitting on the ground, and I don't know, but like this is the first time I saw homeless people in Japan. But maybe because the area that I went to is pretty tourist, so anyway, this is the first time I saw a lot of homeless people on the ground. Like there was a woman sitting on the ground. I gave her 500 yen. Yeah, and you know what is the coincidence here? Is that after receiving the money, she did the same posture that I saw that another homeless person had done to me in Bangkok. And then you know what? Like after an hour, when I finished having breakfast, so the sky was like already pretty bright, and all the homeless people just like disappeared, like they never have before. So you understand what I'm trying to say? Well, I don't know, like the tidiness of this country, maybe, I don't know, like maybe sometimes it's shown to a tourist, you know. Maybe like tourists don't really have a chance to see the other side. This is my point. And you know, 500 yen. Like I guess that woman can buy like 2 to 3 meals in that supermarket, I guess. Because like I think like if you want to get like an ordinary bento, like something like an ordinary food box, you need to spend at least 200 yen. So it's pretty expensive. Guys, I am in Osaka Nihonbashi right now. I am going to an old bookstore. That's it. Folks, I'm out again. I'm going to Tennoji. Guess what? Because I gotta need a suitcase. Okay, I'm looking for... Nah, you can't believe how fucking tired I am. Folks, I want this. Yeah. Wow, damn, it's not cheap. It's portable. Osaka, good morning. Today I leave Japan. Yep. I'm heading to airport. Just look at my Alright, that's it. I actually live in a very dangerous neighborhood, but I didn't feel it, you know. But maybe because I have been living in some similar place. Guys, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And for next trip, I was wondering where to go. So I was planning about going to like Vietnam or Europe. I'm not sure yet, and it also depends on my budget, but like, yeah, there sure will be another trip. So if you like my content, please leave a comment, and your comment may decide on my next destination. Thank you so much.